So good evening, everyone, and a warm welcome to our webinar. And whether you are just starting your home building journey or deep down into your home building journey, this session is going to help you very much. And before we begin, a heartfelt welcome to our speaker, Mr. Chakri. Thank you, sir, for being here with us today. And with 10 years of experience and over 300 completed projects and an exceptional ability to guide homeowners from concept to completion, we are grateful to have you here with us for the session today.
Thank you.
And thank you all of our participants. Thank you for choosing to spend time with us. We hope today's session gives you clarity you've been looking for and help you avoid unnecessary cost and confusion in your kitchen planning. And so this webinar is hosted by Kolo as part of our mission to give homeowners the right information at the right time, so you can make smart decisions and build your dream home without regrets. And now coming to today's topic, the topic is, think modular is expensive, how factory finished kitchens actually save you up to 30%. And in this session, we'll break down where the cost difference actually comes from, why on-site carpentry often goes over budget, and how factory finished kitchens bring long-term value, durability, and cost control. So over to you, Chakri sir. You can start the session.
Yeah, thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Chakri, and I'm the CEO of BlueCraft Design Studio with over 10 years of experience in the interior designing studio. I lead BlueCraft Design Studio with delivering innovative and personalized interior solutions. Our company is based in Bangalore. So today our topic is how modular interiors saves up to 30% compared to the manual things. We can see there are a lot of differences. For example, if you take the manual interior, while starting itself, we start from the site only. Whereas in the modular one, we start with the designing. So in designing, there will be very detailedly given everything. Like if you take the car cases, what are the sizes and what will be the depth? So how many drawers required and how many shelves required and what kind of shelves required, everything will be decided before the production itself. But whereas in the manual thing, all the things will be deciding in the site only. So if the client skips 1 week for going for the site, immediately the carpenter will add on 2 shelves or reduces 2 shelves. So there will be no proper clarity. So in modular, we are going with the design process. So there will be the exact thing. What we thought, the execution also will be in the same process. And again, in the production, factory made, how much plywood we required, we'll take only so much plywood only. We'll not take any extra plywood. Whereas in the site, if you take, first the carpenter tells to set down 50 plywood. After that, they'll add another 10 plywood and they'll add another 5 laminate. So these processes keep on going, but there will be no end till the site completes. So if you calculate the wastage, around 25 to 30% of the ply and laminates will get wasted here. And dimensional also. Whereas in the modular, in 2D only, we'll detailedly mention every point very clearly. Like what is the depth? Example, if you take the kitchen carcass, 580 plus 20 will give the depth. Whereas in the site, their wish, they'll make 600 plus 20 or 620 plus 20. According to their wish, they'll be doing. So what happens, normally the ply comes with the 1200 mm of thickness, like width. There, if you exactly divide 600 means there will be no wastage of plywood. We can use the one plywood into half. But whereas in the manual things, they'll make it like 620 or 630, they'll use it, another plywood, half plywood, completely to get wasted. But in modular, how much ever we need only, we'll use it. And we'll talk about the finishing and quality. When it comes to the finishing and quality, here the complete process is made in the factory with the proper machineries. But in the site, we'll use a small normal machine. So because of these, there will be a chipping issues in the manual work. While in modular work, there will be no any chipping and the finishing will be exactly done. And there will be edge binding process for the edges and all, for the doors and the front carcass and all. Whereas in the modulars, it will be heated in some high degrees of temperature and we'll do it the edge binding process. So the finishing will be very nice and there will be no gap between the plywood and the edge binding. But in the sites, when we're doing there will be small gaps, and because of that, the finishing will not look good, and as well as there is chance of damaging. Any seepage issues comes, no, the plywood will get completely damaged. And if you take the installing time, normally 7 days to 15 days is more than enough when it comes to the modular interiors. When it is manually made, it takes like 1 month to 2 months completely in the site itself. And the site disturbances, when it comes to the in apartments, when the work is going on, there will be a big nuisance with the next neighboring flats. So they'll be telling sound is coming from continuously from 1 month, 45 days, and they'll be keep on complaining. So we can't do our work also properly while that things are going on. And flexibility changes, no. While doing in the site, we first will think the carcass will come in this shape. But after completing this, we feel like, no, this is not the correct way we thought in our imagination. And we think of rechanging again. There again, the material completely get wasted. So here the cost again increases. Space planning. We can take example space planning. In modular interiors, while doing the designing only, with the client, will take 2 or 3 meetings to completely discuss how the place is properly utilized and what we need exactly. We'll use only those things. Other things will not use it. But in manual thing, first there will be no clarity, no. So first we'll install all the things and then we'll realize, no, this we don't need now. And when it comes to the durability also, the durability normally, because of the both sides laminates, edge binding, everything in modular, there will be no chance of damaging actually. Suppose now if you make cupboard manually, we'll fix it to the wall. Normally what carpenters do, where it is not visible, they'll not put the laminate there. They'll make a wardrobe and they'll fix it to the wall directly. So what happens in future, suppose any seepage comes in the walls, completely the wardrobe will get damaged. But whereas in the modular, there will be at least a 10 mm of gap between the wardrobe and the wall. So what happens if any seepages comes also, so that will not impact our wardrobes. So the durability of the plywood will be more compared to the manual wood. There also, if you, for suppose in modular, we get like 20 years without any damage. In manual, after some 5 years only, the wardrobe will get damaged because if any seepages and all come, and moisture, termite and all will impact more for you actually. And the price and transparency. If you talk about the price and transparency, after once the design is completed, what the price we decide, that is the final price. After that, there will be no any price negotiations and any add-ons will not be there. But whereas when you are going with the normal manual work, prices will keep on increasing. Till the work completes, the price will be slowly 10,000, 5,000, 10,000, 5,000 without knowing us, like up to 25 to 30% of price will get increased. But initially in modular, we feel like the price is more. But in manual, we'll feel like the the price is less. But and if you calculate, no, the modular is what we thought the same price will come. In manual, the price have been increased without knowing to us only. And one second. And because of the technology which we use in the modular interiors, the damage of the plywood chances will be very less. And suppose if you want to remove the wardrobes and install somewhere in the other, you want to change the house, also we can remove this and go to the another one. But in manual work, once we install, we can't remove it again. So if you remove it, it's damaged completely. We can't use it again. So in modular interiors, the price will be fixed one. So if it's the budget is 1 lakh, it ends up to 1 lakh only. But in modular, if you think 1 lakh also, it slowly goes to up to 1 lakh 30, 1 lakh 50 also without knowing us. So seeing all these points, 100% the price will increase up to 30% minimally. So timeline if you take, the complete work is being made in the factory and just the installation will make in the site. So there the price up to 10 to 20% will be having the differentiation. Maintenance also, durable and hardware warranties will be very nice to the modular furnitures. Whereas the manual thing, they use very local hardware also, according to them. So we can't provide the warranty also. So labor in the site, if you take laborers in the site, they'll hardly work 15 days in the site. But here minimum 45 days they'll work. To take the total lifestyle, no, durability will be very nice in the modular interiors. Whereas in the manual, easily it will get damaged after a few years, not immediately, but after a few years. If you have any doubts, please you can ask the doubts, I can clarify.
So yeah, so we can, sir, if you have, we can start the question and Q&A session now. Do you have anything else to share? We usually start the Q&A session towards the end of the session. So Chakri sir, if you have got anything else to say?
No, unfortunately, today I was not able to present my PPT.
Sure,
so
sir.
that we are closing part.
Yeah, sure. We can start the Q&A session. So, so if you guys has got any questions, please try to raise your hands. We'll call your names according to the order. So the first one to raise your hand is Teja Bandaru. Teja Bandaru, if you've got any questions, you can unmute yourself and ask Chakri sir.
Yes. Sure.
Teja Bandaru, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
Thank you for the session. I am having a couple of questions.
Yeah, you can ask.
In the call, you were saying like if at all if I go with non-modular,
Yes.
there'll be space issues, or else their designing could be not done perfectly.
Correct.
Even though if you go with a let us say XYZ interior person,
Okay.
if they too will be doing the 2D and 3D designing, only then they'll be given to the carpenters, right? Then what exactly the difference would be?
No, not like that actually. So first thing, normally I prefer modular only for one reason. First reason is nowadays if you take this termite problem is there everywhere in the apartments. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. This termite problem is there in all the apartments nowadays. Okay, and the seepage issues. So because of these two issues, normally what happens if you plan it 2D, 3D also, for example, you'll go to the carpenter. But normally what these carpenters do, they'll not put the laminate where it is not visible. If the wardrobe is touching to the wall, no backside, they'll not give the laminate first thing.
If at all, if those things are taken care at the very first, like if we ask them to.
Suppose if you put the laminate also, if you take care, and if you paste the laminate also, if you touch it also, the problem where it comes, no. Normally in modular interiors, you'll get at least 10 mm of gap between the wardrobe and wall. So if any seepage comes also, that will not touch the wardrobe. Only a side panels will touch the wardrobe. That too, for that the edge binding will be. So that is not possible in the manual interiors. We can't do it in that way.
Adding the UPVC sheet of 6 mm, won't that help us?
UPVC sheet of 6 mm.
Between the wardrobe and the wall.
Here again the cost increases for you. For the normal ply and UPVC, again the cost increases.
I'm speaking of the just a small 4 mm sheet. If you are installing between the.
Yeah, I understood. 4 mm only. If you take it for the plywood and the UPVC, again the price doubles actually. Normal this is 100 rupees, means that comes under 170, 180 rupees.
40 UPVC sheets will be costing somewhere around 19,000 only, right? If you
Sorry,
don't mind.
sorry.
Let us say if the whole site requires 40 UPVC sheets, which would be
Okay.
coming for around 19,000 rupees. But if at all, if you
Okay.
go to the modular, taking whole thing to the modular,
Okay.
as far as I heard,
Ah,
I'm not even sure
okay.
because you guys are the pros in this.
Okay.
So I have got Gyan from couple of people, each one
Okay.
having different way of executing. So they have said one
Okay.
person has said that modular would be
Ah,
uh, there'll be a bit of more wastage when compared to manual is what they said. I'm not sure.
no, no, sir. 100% it's not correct statement. There will
Okay.
be actually like hardly means 5% of wastage will be in the modular, sir. So we'll use it
Oh,
exactly. Maybe in
okay.
modular also there are 2-3 types, sir. If you take like olden factories, like olden missionaries and all, no, they'll paste a full sheet for the, if they need a small piece also, they'll paste the complete sheet. But here it's not, now they're not doing like that. How much the sheet is there, so much only we'll paste it on the board actually.
Oh, okay.
So wastage is hardly 5%, sir, not more than 5%.
Okay. So so one thing I'm basically from Hyderabad. I
Okay.
joined this call
Okay.
for getting some clarification. Like,
Okay.
yeah, if at all, if I give to XYZ interior designer,
Okay.
okay, and he takes up whole activity, and then he might be giving it to the modeler, or he might be giving it to the carpenter.
Okay.
If at all, if he gives to the modeler, he said it will be charged bit 1 lakh extra. If you give
Okay.
it to the carpenter, on the overall 1 lakh would be a bit lesser.
Okay.
So, which one should I be choosing?
Sir, actually, see, if you take in case of Bangalore,
Mm-hmm.
see, frankly speaking, we are not charging any extra. If seriously client requires manually only, we are doing with the manual also. Okay.
Oh,
But the
okay.
thing is, there is no cost difference here, sir. Again, we are not charging any extra here actually for modular or manual.
Okay, I see the
Yeah.
difference here in Hyderabad. Okay, one last question. Maybe many people are asking the questions.
Okay. Okay.
They are in the queue. One question, like you said, the
Okay.
seepage issues and all will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
So I had a flat which is of my one technology, the aluminum frame, and then the all the walls are also of the what is this? I forgot. We have the slab, right, with the concrete. All the walls are
Okay.
also built with
Okay. Okay.
concrete.
Got it, sir.
Do you guys see the termites issue and the seepage issue in this concrete slabs and walls also, or is
Sir,
it less?
in some particular areas, if, for suppose if you take Tirupati area,
Okay.
okay, lot of this termite issue is there.
Mm. No,
So
I'm
people are,
basically if it comes with the red brick, the termite should be there. But
yes,
do
yes,
you
yes.
see this in the complete
No, no, sir.
building
In cement
itself?
also, maybe in some places it's coming, sir. Actually, it's not only about red brick; it's coming actually.
So yes, thank you, Teja Bandaru sir. We have to go to the next person because.
Can I talk, madam? Vinay here.
No, sir. You have to raise your hand first. We'll call
Okay,
on the
okay.
names accordingly. So the next one is Anubham Chawat. Anubham sir, you can unmute yourself and ask the questions now.
Yeah, hi. My name is Anupam.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
I just wanted to ask, you said that non-modular and modular differentiated you, actually. My question
So your
here
voice
is,
is not clear.
one sec, one sec.
Chakri sir, I think Anubham sir got disconnected.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the next one is Salman Ildring.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a few questions. I think
Yeah, yeah.
the first one is, since you said about the cost optimization, you have your own manufacturing unit, right?
Yes, sir.
So, given that, so you manufacturing this, so the end thing is you're going to come and assemble it, whatever
Yes,
the
sir.
modules
Yes, sir.
that you're going to
Yes,
manufacture.
sir. Yes, sir.
So the what is the difference, the competitive in terms of competitive rate, market rate you're going to offer for this one?
Sorry, sir. I didn't get, sir.
No, since you have your own manufacturing unit
Okay.
to manufacture it,
Okay.
we'll have cost optimization because of the precision engineering. You're going to avoid wastage, as you said in the
Yes, sir. Obviously,
earlier stages
obviously.
itself. Very
Yes, sir.
planned process, right?
Yes, sir.
So per square feet wise, compared to the market wise, what is the cost difference that we are going to get over here?
Okay. With us.
Yes.
Sir, obviously the price will be less compared to the market price. And that to the material which we are providing, if you take, for example, kitchen. So we are giving Century Club Frame, which the company offers 30 years of warranty from the company itself on the customer name. On every plywood, there will be a scanner. And if you scan it and enter the customer name, we'll be getting the customer on the certificate from on the customer name itself. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, and price 100% there will be difference, sir. Once if you connect with us, 100% will share the quotation. Then you'll understand. If you take outside quotation also, you'll clearly understand, sir. Why? Because we are not doing on a square feet basis. We are calculating the material, how much we are consuming, and what are the client requirements. Based on that, we are giving the quotation. Like how market is proceeding, like on like particular square feet rate, we are not working, sir.
Yeah. Since
So why? Because sometimes what happens, the customer is losing, and sometimes we are losing.
Yeah. So one other thing is in terms of servicing.
Okay.
One major thing is once you have built a kitchen, the second thing is if over the years you get many issues for whatever the wear and tear and those kind of stuff.
Correct, correct.
So servicing and all you're going to provide, right?
Yes, sir. Up to 10 years. Up to 10 years, we are providing service and warranty, sir.
Okay. And third thing is if it's a bulk purchase, I mean bulk order for you.
Okay.
Will it further give us any discount or?
Yeah, sir. 100% will give the discount, sir.
Are you guys only limited to the kitchen manufacturing, or this includes other parts of the home interiors as well?
Other parts in the sense, sir.
Like the wardrobe, the TV units, living area.
Okay. Everything, sir. Includes everything, sir. End-to-end interiors we are doing, sir.
Okay. If we visit your this thing, your studio, you have experience center, you'll be taking us through your different modular
Yes, sir.
units, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
As well as any finished project units.
Yeah, we saw that also, sir.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. So we have to move to the next person. That is Mr. Chidanand BR. Okay, Chidanand, sir, you can unmute yourself and ask your questions. Chidanand, sir, you can. Chidanand. Yeah, yes, sir, you can ask.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Okay. My first question is like a modular is a factory made and carpentry is done inside. When it is a carpentry, we can buy the ply and laminate, and we know that what quality of ply we have brought it. But in factory, how can we know that you have used a quality one? How can you assure that you have used a quality one? Because the process won't be in front of our eyes.
Correct.
How can you assure that?
Correct. Sir, actually, we offer when we are doing the pasting, we inform the client one day previous, sir, and tell them to come to the factory while pasting. Normally, yes, sir. We provide that option for the client, sir. So let them come to the factory and have a look, sir, which material we're pasting for them.
Okay, and my one more question is like, if it is a carpentry, when we give to the carpentry, he does the interior work for the whole house.
Yes,
but
sir.
Can modular be done for the whole house? I understand
Yes,
it can
sir.
be done for modular, whatever the wardrobe and
90% we can achieve, sir.
Okay.
Any 10%, like any partitions or else any arches in the living rooms, only that should be made manually, sir. Other than that, nothing, sir. Everything can be made in the factory, sir.
Okay, the reason why most of us we go for carpentry is because they can achieve everything, so that there won't be a double vendors or for modular one team and carpentry one team.
Not like that. Normally how we do, we take the entire project. Okay. So our team is divided into two parts. We have manual carpenters also. Why? Because for this achieving these 10% things.
Okay, okay.
So,
And
so one part will be going in the factory, and other part will do it in the site simultaneously.
okay, and you guys collaborate with interior designers and architects?
Yes, sir. We have our in-house interior, sir. Interior
Okay,
designers.
okay, okay.
So you
And
can sit with our designers, and they will design the project and use, sir.
okay, and there are multiple type of plywoods and
Yes, sir.
multiple type of sizes. Can you tell me
Yes, sir.
some knowledge about the plywoods and the sizes? What should be used, and because there are multiple, can you simplify it?
Yes, sir. So normally for the wardrobes and all, we use MR ply, sir.
Okay.
MR moisture resistance. So it's 303 grade. And for the kitchen and all, we use 710 BWP. BWP. And whereas here also two things, sir. When we go with the modular thing, we use 16 mm ply and 1 mm outer laminate and 0.8 inner laminate, or else 1 mm inner laminate also.
Yeah, there will be 2 mm laminate is available, right? Why not 2 mm?
So actually, see, when we are doing manually, no, there's a chance of bubbles actually.
Okay.
If the carpenter will not paint properly, after a few days the bubbles comes on the laminates.
Okay. So
normally
so
we
you
use so that if it is a 1.5 mm, that is better actually. But when it comes to the modular, no, so we'll press this laminate in the, we'll keep in the hydraulic machine, we'll press it for more than 8 hours.
okay, so you mean 1.5 mm is
1 mm is more than enough for us here. 1 mm is enough, sir, not 1.5 also. 1 mm is more than enough.
Thank you. That's it. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Any other question?
I think we have to the next person. Miss Geeta Vanigari. Miss Geeta Vani. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
It's actually, you are talking about the wood one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the stainless steel one? Now new
Yes, ma'am. Nowadays,
stainless steel.
actually, no, we didn't also try as of now, frankly speaking. But
Can you come
recently,
again?
Hello.
Yeah. Can you come again?
Yeah. Ma'am, till now we didn't use it actually as of now. We seriously don't know how it's working on, but we are going to try it very soon, ma'am, actually, with one project.
See, people are saying, no, like all this waterproof, fire, fire resistant, then pest proof, termite free, all that. When stainless steel is there, you don't feel all these problems. From zero, you will start like a stainless steel.
Exactly, but we didn't try as of now, but we are going to try very soon with one project now. Just I want to know about how it seriously works actually.
You haven't seen any place where it was done?
Ma'am, but I want to see the production, how it goes actually. See, normally in modular, no, according to our site, we plan it properly. But I don't know exactly how it comes to the space planning and all.
Okay, maybe for that separate machinery needed.
Yes,
like wood
just
means
I want to
little
know about that. Just we are doing some research. Maybe it may take some more days, ma'am, actually.
Okay. That means like as of now, no idea how long, like durability, everything.
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. Okay, ma'am. Next person is Arshia Fatima. Ma'am, you can unmute yourself and ask your questions. Arshia Fatima.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, good evening. Tell me.
Yeah, good evening, sir. So my question was, what is the longevity of these modular kitchens or modular wardrobes or whatever we do modular things? How many years do they survive?
Normally we provide 10 years of warranty from our company side. But whereas which ply we are using for the kitchen, no, the company itself is giving 30 years of warranty actually for the ply.
Okay.
Normally, if there is no issue with this termite and these seepage issues in the walls, no, mostly 15-20 years happily we can use it. I'm into this field from last 10 years.
That will be included for your laminate and everything. What about the hardware? What
Ma'am,
about the
hardware
hardware
normally
responsibility?
company itself gives 2 to 3 years, ma'am.
Then after that, what about the services? If it comes out or anything goes wrong,
See, for the hardware,
especially with
we
the
also
pull out.
give what the company is providing only we give actually.
No, no.
But the
What
thing
I'm
is,
talking,
what service we
what
can provide? Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
what I want to ask is now
Hmm.
that just imagine that we got a kitchen done with from you, and in 2 years or
Okay.
3 years the pullouts or the channels or whatever it is, they got damaged or they're not
Okay.
working properly. So what is
Okay.
the solution that you will provide us?
Ma'am, up to service thing, whatever is there, we do service and give from our scope.
This is
Why?
this
Because
service
company
is still
itself gives 3 years of warranty, ma'am, for the hardware.
okay. The service is still how many years? What is the
10 years we'll give service, ma'am. If it's working, just you need a small service means we'll do and give from our scope. In case if you want to
okay?
change and give means,
Okay.
we should replace it that month.
Okay. One more thing I wanted to ask was which is the best for this one laminates? There are many things. Glass laminate is there,
Yes,
laminate is
ma'am.
there, plywood
Yes,
is
ma'am.
there. Which is the best one?
Ma'am, normally laminates, the best is always Merino and Century. There are
Okay.
many brands. Like if you take in Bangalore, I feel like there are like 200, 300 brands in Bangalore itself.
Mm-hmm.
But the top one is always the
Okay.
Merino and Century itself.
Okay.
So we can blindly trust
Okay.
that
Thank you.
laminates. Cost wise bit more, but no
Okay.
problem. Actually, we can trust them. Right? Because there is, I
And
didn't see
outer
any issue till
laminate.
now.
And what about the outer laminate? Like that glossy thing, glass thing, and all. There are so many other stuff.
And that's what I'm telling. There are many brands, ma'am, but Merino and Century are the top brands.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Yeah, let's move on to the next person. Anand Agarwal.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
I just wants to understand for the kitchen, shall I go for acrylic or laminate? My purpose is mainly so that I have a less maintenance. That's first question.
Okay.
And for the bed, you suggest to use MR, HDHMR, or which ply we use it?
For which one, sir? For the
For
complete
bed.
project?
Bed.
Bed. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Sir, if you take for the kitchen, no? Yeah. Ask me, sir. Ask me. You ask your question, sir. Then I'll clear it.
No. I asked to. I did not say someone else was speaking.
Okay. Got it, sir. Sir, normally laminates, majority of the laminates are prepared in India itself. Okay. And the maintenance wise, laminates are very easy to maintain. But when it comes to acrylic, no, it's completely imported from the China. There is no manufacturing unit for acrylic in India actually. Everything comes from the China only. So what happens? No, there's some lot comes like some 1,000 sheets. It's been distributed to the complete Bangalore. Luckily, your kitchen work is going on. It was the last lot of you got lost sheets of that lot, sir. You had been completed the kitchen, but you need a small piece for that. If you buy the new sheet, automatically the color is getting changing, sir, actually. The lot to lot. So we are facing this problem for the many projects and all the companies actually, it's not one company. But when it comes to the maintenance, laminate is best, sir, actually.
Okay. And why so? Like scratches wouldn't come, or what's the
And
reason?
scratch also, sir. Sir, they'll tell it's scratch proof, but seriously, I'm not seeing that actually. Every laminate company is mentioning that it's a scratch proof. But seriously, it's very difficult to maintain the acrylic. But look wise, okay. You're getting very premium look.
Okay. So you're saying in acrylic, you'll get the scratches,
Scratches, 100%
and will be
scratches.
visible. In laminates, you might not get.
Yes, sir. Very easy to maintain, sir, laminates.
Okay. And another thing
We're
was,
talking about this plywood and HDHMR, sir.
yeah.
Normally, what we are doing for the carcasses and all, we are using the plywood. Other than carcasses, any doors or color laminate wherever we are using, we are going with the HDHMR.
Okay. Got
But
it.
it is not particularly that you should use HDHMR only for the bed. Plywood is also okay, sir. MR plywood is more than enough. But if it is color color, if you're using color laminate outside means, then you go with the HDHMR.
Got it, got it. And the last question is for the false ceiling. How do you quote it? You do a running feet or per square feet? Like how you determine,
Normally,
give the cost?
if it is plain means they go with the square feet. When any design comes out, they'll calculate in a running square feet. So running feet.
Okay. So if I say a periphery ceiling kind of thing, peripheral ceiling, then it will be a running or it will be a area.
Sir, no, sir. It will be run. Some places they'll take running and some places they calculate square feet, sir.
Oh, okay. Got it, got it. And just the last question, sorry. In the wardrobe, what kind of handles do you think is good for long maintenance?
Where,
Like
sir?
for wardrobe.
Wardrobe.
Yeah.
So nowadays trending is going with the long handles actually. PVD coated handles.
Okay, and those are lifelong, like their life is good, or I want
PVD
something
coating
where
means
maintenance is
actually
less.
lifelong we can use it, sir. If normally if you use any steel handles, there is a chance of rust after few days. But when we are going with the PVD coated handles, that issue will not be here.
Got it. Yeah, cool. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, so thank you, sir. Next person is Dr. Vinay CV.
Yeah, this is Dr. Vinay here, sir.
Yeah, hi, sir. Good evening, sir.
So now there are so many players in the market, sir. Just I wanted to know.
Yes,
suppose the A-grade builder gives a quotation, say for a ground first and second duplex. Say suppose 25 lakhs is the quote.
Okay.
And there is a B grade or suppose C grade who has got a factory setup.
Okay.
So what will be the difference in general? How does it go, sir? How much I can save in case if I give to a B grade or a C grade who has got his own factory system? But it is not A grade builder.
Okay.
So what will be any change in the quality, or he can give a better, suppose example I gave, suppose 25 lakhs is A grade builder given.
Okay.
So if a B grade builder gives 20 lakhs, having his own factory setup,
okay,
does he compromise on quality, like anything on any special issues, or he can give the quality also? Just I want to know those two aspects.
Okay. Sir, for example, I can tell you one thing, sir. I had given a quote for your home, sir, for 10 lakhs.
Yeah.
So there my profit will be like some suppose for 10%, you think.
10%, 10 to 20%.
If you take it, for example, I'm telling 10% is my profit. So leaving that 9 lakhs I should spend to your home.
Yeah.
For 9 lakhs I should spend actually. So I will spend actually. Okay. But if someone is giving for 8 lakhs or 7 lakhs or 6 lakhs, will they add that 2-3 lakhs to that and they'll give 9 lakhs work, sir, for you?
No.
No, they will not give. Here clearly we can understand, sir, they'll degrade the material actually. See, in plywood, if you take plywood, for 35 rupees, 40 rupees also will get square feet of plywood. That can go up to 150, 200 rupees also.
Okay.
Okay. Someone is doing for less means 100% they'll reduce the quality, sir. Where we are using 1 mm laminate, they'll use 0.8 laminates.
Well, if they mention everything, whatever the A grade builder gives, same thing he mentions and is able to give because of his own fact.
They can't give, sir.
They can't give. Okay.
They need work actually. They want some profit in that.
So,
however, they want to convince you. Why? Because many people failed in that trap, sir. If someone is giving 10 lakhs quotation, other guy will give for 9 lakhs. So he will also earn 1 lakh. Here also he will also earn 1 lakh. But here he'll reduce the quality.
Quality. Okay.
Yeah.
For
so
one more,
sir. Do for free, sir. Here no one is doing service now.
Yeah. At the end of the day, correct. Fine. This is just that clarification.
So someone is giving for the less quote means the loser will be the client only, sir. End of the day. Why? Because maybe initially the problems will not come out. Maybe after 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, these problems will come out.
But A grade bidder also, the profit margin may be more from there.
No, sir, it's not like that, sir. Actually, see, maybe. But for example, if it's my case, I'm giving Century Club Prime. I'm maintaining the quality very transparently. I'm informing the client prior. Please come to the factory. Tomorrow pasting work is going on, so you can come and have a look.
You can see, okay.
So everything will be seen there. And after that, I'll send 90% of the material in a single day. Once the work is completed in the factory, I'll purchase all the hardwares and send to the site. So there also client can see. If I tell some Hitick and if I give EPCO, no, client can see that, no, if it is Hitick or EPCO.
EPCO, they might have give, they will put EPCO and get a lesser quote. That is possible. If they give a teacher, it will be costly. Like that, it will be.
So I'm sending 90% of material at a single time.
Oh, okay, so they
So
can
there
see
also
what is
client
the
can see
material.
what are the material he had sent.
Okay, they procured what material is being procured.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you said for kitchen BWP 710, no, sir?
Yes, sir. Sir, in 710 also in market we are getting from 70 rupees only, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
But Century is.
They'll do printing, sir. 710, whatever they like, they'll give it. It's 30 years of warranty, 25 years of warranty, or lifetime warranty. Just they'll print and they'll give it.
Okay, so but you Century, you said it's better. Century.
We are using Century Club Prime, sir. You can see in the online also.
Okay. What is about green? Something will come. Green.
Green also there is a same material, sir. I don't know the exact name, but we are using Century. Green gold, I guess. Green gold.
Green gold. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So for kitchen BWP carcass, no, you said.
Yes, sir.
For shutters, we can go for SDM.
You can go, sir.
In case you are going acrylic.
Acrylic, no, sorry. We are going with for anything. We are going with HDHMR only for the shutters. If it is laminate, acrylic also, we are going with HDHMR only.
Even for TV cabinets also, there also MR you are going. Carcass MR you are going.
Yes, sir. Sir, where it is not visible, we are going with the plywood. Where and all the color laminate we are putting, no, there and all we are going with HDHMR. Why? Because we need a proper finishing also. The surface should be good.
Surface should. For TV units, carcass.
Good, no? Sir?
For wardrobes and this one all, carcass is MR.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Carcass is MR, but if suppose side panel is color, so there we go with HDHMR.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we can go on to the next person. It's written HCMY. Can you please unmute yourself? CMY. Sir, I don't know your name. It's HCMY. Can you unmute yourself, sir? I can see your video, but I cannot. Can you unmute yourself?
Hello, yeah.
Sure. Yes, you can ask your question.
I wanted one help because I'm seeing from the desktop and this thing, my phones are also ringing. What I want to do was to open the chat box in your desktop, so it is much more easier. Can you accommodate?
Sorry, sir, I'm not getting, sir.
Sir, I understood. But yeah, you can post the questions in the chat box. But it's
the message also because there is an interruption of calls coming. Okay, that was my suggestion. Don't do it. Yeah. How young is your company in Bangalore, sir?
Sorry, sir.
How young is your company in Bangalore?
Sir, actually, I'm into this field from 10 years, sir. But particularly the BlueCraft, we changed the name, everything, and we started like 2.5 years back, sir.
2.5 years back.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yes.
This particular BlueCraft, but I'm into this field from 2015.
That's great. The second question I wanted to ask is, see, mostly the modular furniture when we give and forget the order, only when it is installed, it is come and installed. Outlook is good and everything, but the fear is the quality of plywood or MDF or whatever. There is a compromise. Clarify this.
Your voice is breaking, sir. Can you repeat it, sir?
When we order for the modular furnitures,
okay,
we see the outlook and say we are happy.
Okay.
But what goes exactly inside, only the manufacturer knows, whether it is MDF or. Okay. I prefer to go with green ply.
Okay.
Or green laminate. Or kit ply. Kit ply has been a very long brand.
Yes, sir. I know kit ply. I know, sir.
Yeah. So I specify and give it, but what exactly goes in, nobody knows. Nobody wants to tear it and see what it is there.
Okay. Okay. So for that purpose only, one day prior we are informing to the client, sir, to come to the factory. So just before pasting, they can stand there only. While doing the pasting process, it takes like 2 hours max, 1.5 2 hours, sir.
Yeah.
If the client is seriously having that issue, he can come and have a look, sir. So we are providing that facility also.
Yeah, that is good. That is a confidence building measure is very
Yes,
good.
sir. Yes, sir.
So
Monday prior, we will inform to the client, sir.
now the third point which I wanted to ask was someone has already asked the new trend is aluminium, aluminium
Steel, stainless steel kitchen, sir.
because of longevity and pest control and everything.
Correct, correct.
So that is a different developing market.
Correct, sir.
That was one thing, and the second thing means I wanted to know was your delivery period. This thing is how about ex Bangalore or ex other cities in Karnataka?
Other cities also, we have some decent budget we are doing, sir, actually. Why? Because the transport and all should get worked out for us, no? So for that thing, we are small projects we are avoiding actually. If it is a decent project, we are doing, sir.
Suppose only kitchen wardrobes and other things are required.
Okay.
Prestige, they are giving some this thing, they want to get it done from Bangalore and get it, but nobody is willing. In those cases, you will be able to.
Sir, we can happily we can do it, but there should be at least a minimum decent quantity, sir.
What is the budget you are looking at? Decent means what is your budget?
Sir, now I can't tell anything. Why? Because seeing the product only, we can come to clarity.
It's fine.
Just now, blindly, if I tell some 10 lakhs,
okay, is a decent amount for someone.
Okay.
Same 2 lakhs is good for a person who's having a small budget of a villager or someone who wants to. So, what is that minimum budget you plan? The best product from your end. You have a category, something like that you can share.
I'll tell you, sir. Here, what happens now normally? For transport only, some 20,000, 25,000 will happen.
Transport is extra.
Yeah,
transport extra, all that is okay. But getting ready a modular kitchen, what is your budget where you can have a ballpark figure?
Okay. Sir, at least we should do some 7-8 lakhs budget, sir.
7 to 8 lakhs budget.
Yes,
because I see similar things coming like 3 lakh budget, 4 lakh budget from competitors of you on the Facebook and other things. I also connected with you from the Facebook only. Otherwise, I was not there.
Okay.
So that was the reason of asking this question. 7 to 8 difficult villager or someone who wants to. So apart from GST and your taxes.
Yes, sir.
So he would like to have a budget of 2 to 3 lakhs only or 4 lakhs maximum. So then we should suggest to come to you or ask him to get it done from local there only.
I prefer local only. It's better, sir. Why? Because for 2 to 3 lakhs, if someone should come so much far means they'll compromise in the quality here. They need some profit. So 100% they'll compromise near the quality. So better you go with the local vendors only, sir.
Yes. Okay, sir. We have to go to the next person because so many people are waiting. So the next person is Srinivas Hudawar.
Question. I would like to come back. Hello.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Yeah, we have to go to the next person because so many people have raised their hands. I think they also deserve the clarity. Srinivas Hudawar, can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah. Good evening, Mr. Chakri.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay. Now, I am from Karnataka, but I stay in Pune.
Okay.
Pune, normally, when we go for furniture, they go it for a square foot basis, right? If I want to have a wardrobe, which ranges from 1,100 rupees to 1,800, 1,900 rupees, depending on the material, whatever you use.
Correct, sir.
Now, you are telling that modular will cost around 25-30% less as far as material is concerned.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But as an end user, I am looking what is the money which is going from my pocket.
Correct, sir.
Okay, that is what is my concern.
Correct.
Now,
sir.
can you take some example to prove that this will cost less? Because I have taken a new flat which I am doing interior, planning to do interior now, where 3 full wall wardrobes and all are involved.
Okay.
So if I take 10 by 9.5 feet, which is a wall height,
Okay.
wall, full wall.
Okay.
Take an example when it is made in-house and in a modular kitchen, how
Okay.
it is going to be cost effective
Okay.
when the same type of material is used. I do agree that if it is factory finished, definitely.
Sir, here, I understood your question, sir. Here, cost in the sense just only not in the material, you should see, sir. It's not only in the material, the timing which they give and the lifespan which you will be getting in the modular and versus manual. You should compare all the things, sir. Only in cost means only just
that is what I'm coming to you. Just compare that. I do agree that finishing in modular kitchen will be definitely much more better than doing it in a home.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. But when we say it is 20 or 25% lesser in modular, because modular is costing me more here,
correct,
around 300% with the same material, which is we are discussing with interior decorators or whoever is making it.
Okay.
As you said, 1010.
710.
710. Sorry. 710 or whatever the material we are telling, HDMR and all. If I am using the same material, how it is going to cost me less when compared to modular?
Okay. I'll tell you, sir. Suppose, sir, you've given a wardrobe to some carpenter, sir, for example. Okay. It's been started like now December 1st, it's been started. It was supposed to get in December ending, sir. For example.
Oh, majorly I wanted to have on a cost.
No, I'm telling the cost in the sense it's not only you cannot consider one point, sir, here.
No, we started our communication from the cost.
Okay, that's what I'm telling, sir.
Delivery delays of 10 or 15 days, that is accepted.
Sir, but here what's happening, here in Bangalore, we are paying 1 month rent if we are not able to deliver for the time actually.
Fine.
Okay, so these things are all in impact, sir. That 25-30%.
See, but that should not impact in the material, right? That will impact in, that is where is direct cost and indirect cost.
Yes, sir.
Indirect cost should not be calculated when we calculate on the project. Okay. You are calculating indirect cost.
Okay.
So I am just telling you a direct cost. Direct cost, how it differs. Because modular material is here, it is costing me more than that of getting it from labor.
Correct.
Okay, but you are entering into an indirect cost, which I am not interested in. Sort of thing.
But in long run, that will only disappoint you, sir.
Which one?
Now you will think
the communication, our communication or your communication started from the cost of modular kitchen is lesser than making it more.
Yes,
but
sir,
you are calculating indirect in that.
Sir.
No, you are calculating indirect cost in that.
Yes, sir. Obviously, we are calculating, sir. We are considering all the points. Only in one material we can't directly save 30%, sir. It's impossible actually.
Okay.
So directly saving 30% means just we should reduce the quality there.
No, you are. Please don't take care of the. Just a moment.
Questions because so many people are waiting on the queue.
No, but my question is not answered. Hold on. If you are taking a break, at least let him finish one communication, right?
Sir, that's what we are telling. We are not telling direct cost is 30%. We can't reduce it directly. 30% is not possible.
Okay. Can you take an example of 10 by 9 feet and what is the difference? Indirect.
Sir, that's what I'm telling. In long run, you should calculate everything. It's not one point here. There are many points. For the timely delivery, for the finishes.
We'll come to direct cost.
For the finishes, for the wastages, these things, all if you calculate only, we'll get it that. Based on only one point, we can't, sir.
No, but here it is costing modular, costing me more 20% more than
sir. Initially, modular will feels like it's
can I enter? I can answer. I can answer him. I can reply.
Yes, sir. You can join, sir. Tell me, sir.
Yeah, he is more concerned about the money he's spending from his pocket to a carpenter. He is judging a carpenter's job as compared to a company's job. So he's basically he's wrong at his first juncture. He cannot compare two different identities, one who is not investing even a single penny and one who is investing at least 50 lakhs of rupees in his factory, in his electricals units, and its other things, purchasing material, raw material, purchasing the strength, the workers' strength. So he is, if he's trying, if he is trying to rely on a labor or the person who is coming to his house to do the job, it's his wishes. But ultimately, we can tell him that it is going to cost him more on the terms of raw material, because we are buying in bulk. We are buying raw material in bulk, including board, including laminate, including the hardware, and also we get cheap labor, because we categorize the carpenter and the helper and the other our packers are different. So we have categorized and used the labor very efficiently, and of course we definitely take our margins from 15% to 25%. That is our you can say that is whatever we are spending, that is hamara hak banta hai. So if he is being, I think, manipulated by the Carpenter's team, that he will reduce the cost by 30%, he is going to be fooled at the time of delivery or 6 months after. So it is up to his choice, whatever the thoughts he wants to go with.
Okay, खान साहब, आप जेनरिक बात कर रहे हो, मैंने स्पेसिफिकली इनको पूछा है कि मैंने मटेरियल जो है आप सेम इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो.
हम सेम
लेट मी कंप्लीट. अगर आप सब मटेरियल सेम इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो, ओके, तो डिफरेंस मुझे जो आ रहा है वो
मैन्युफैक्चरर को सस्ता मिलेगा, हमें सस्ता मिलेगा. वो
तो मुझे सस्ता मिलना चाहिए ना, वो महंगा मिल रहा है.
I'm really sorry. We have to go to the other people's questions. They were waiting for a very long time. And Mr. Khan Muhammad sir, thank you for interfering, and thank you, Srinivas sir. The question was really good. Thank you for raising a question, and thank you, Khan Muhammad, for interfering, and thank you, Chakri sir, for answering this one question. And we have to go to the other people. Agash Parai, sir, you can unmute yourself and ask the question.
Hello, hi.
Hello, sir.
I'm planning for my kitchen thing in my apartment. From there only, I got 3 different material code. One is multi-wood, one is PVC, and other is like marine ply. Which one is better? Like it. Here in marine ply, you were telling the Century Club Prime, right?
Yes, sir. Century Club Prime.
There will be an issue. I think in my grandma home there were an issue of cockroach in that. Is it good or bad? Like which one is better in the terms of money or in the terms of the quality?
Okay, sir. The first 2 plays, can you repeat it again? I didn't.
Multi-wood.
First time I'm hearing the word name, sir. Okay. Second one.
Multi-wood is like a white color ka. And other is PVC.
Okay.
WPC. Sorry, WPC.
WPC. Okay. Okay. Sir,
Which
here the problem with the WPC is the screw is not catching it properly, sir. While fixing the doors, anything now in WPC, maybe after 6 months, the screw is getting removed, sir. It's
WPC also.
Yes, sir. WPC only that problem.
But the cord I am getting, WP is the highest one.
Okay.
It's like they are telling that for WPC, one sheet is come around 5,500 rupees. But in marine ply or you are telling the high premium ply comes below that only.
Okay. Yes, sir. That's what I'm telling. If you can ask them a small sample piece of WPC actually. Okay, just have a look of the WPC and just you put one screw and you again you take it back, sir, or else you pull it tightly.
Okay.
It will come out actually. It will not fit very tightly. Whereas if you put the same screw for the wood, no, once it is catch, it will not come it back again.
What about the issue in termite and the cockroach thing? Then, if we use
Sir, for cockroach, seriously, we are helpless actually. We should maintain it properly.
So, what about the plywood, the moisture absorption and all?
So, for that only, we are going with the Century Club. I told no, sir.
Club Prime. Okay.
Club Prime, Century Club Prime.
See, people are saying it's a full gurgeon or half gurgeon kind. What is that full gurgeon and half gurgeon?
Sir, this gurgeon is only a big scam, sir, actually.
Okay.
I feel like it's a very big scam, actually.
Okay. Oh,
I don't know what is this full gurgeon and half gurgeon, seriously.
So,
See,
so you got
I tell like go with some trusted brand only, sir. Don't go with any. Why? Because there are like 2,000 brands in example. If you take in Bangalore, okay. If you go with the different plywood vendors, you'll be seeing different plywoods actually.
Okay.
Okay. Go with some trusted brand.
Okay. And other thing, you are using shutter using HDHMR, right?
HDHMR, that too green company, sir. Green panel.
Green company. So what is the difference in HDHMR and ply? Why can't we use the shutters as the Century Club Prime only?
Sir, the problem is why we use this HDHMR is first reason is there will be the surface of the plywood HDHMR will be very smooth actually.
Okay.
If you paint the laminate also, you'll not feel any undulation. You can see some houses, no, when the lighting fails, the wood will be completely undulated, like a waves. You can feel that.
Okay, you are telling wood means plywood, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On the plywood, if someone put the laminates, no, you can see like a waves when the light falls on it.
Okay.
Okay, but on HDHMR, that issue will not be there. And
HDHMR, what is that HDHMR? What kind of product is that?
It's a kind of engineering wood, sir. It's
engineering.
Yes, sir.
It is expensive than Century Club Prime.
No. These comes around 90 rupees per square feet. Whereas plywood will get for 45-50 rupees only.
This Century Club Prime.
Century Club Prime is 130 rupees again. That's a plywood.
Okay.
That plywood also where we use is only for the carcass.
Okay, so how can we resolve the termite and the moisture absorption if you are using Century Club Prime?
Sir, normally the Century Club, they give 30 years of warranty, I'm telling now.
Oh, okay.
Okay. For this and all also impacts actually.
Okay.
If any water touches, any damage comes only, that warranty is applicable.
See, my other question is like, if we are using Century Club Prime from your side,
okay.
If any effect to the termite issue, they are giving 30 years. Okay.
Yes,
If after the fixing also, if any effect termite issue came, we have to remove that laminate and all, right, for resolve that.
Obviously, sir.
So would you do that as a maintenance?
Sir, up to 10 years, it's our responsibility, sir.
Okay, sir. I think we have to go to the next person because it's already 8:05 and we have to end our session by 8:30. So the next one is Vivek Govindan. Vivek Govindan, sir, you can unmute yourself and ask your questions. Vivek Govindan, sir, you can unmute yourself and ask your questions.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry, there was a glitch. 1 second, please. Yeah. So my question here is, I have first question to the admin of this Kolo. So we have a recording session going on. Will we be able to get the recording, or is it just sitting with you?
No, you can find the recordings of the webinars, this webinar and the previous webinars as well in our YouTube channel.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Sure.
So I just wanted to help Mr. Akshay, who just previously asked a question to you. So I'm actually an interior designer based in Kerala. and we call this multi-wood as a brand name. Multi-wood is basically WPC, but it is a brand name of the company called Thomson. So in Kerala, Thomson, yes. So in Kerala, we don't call it as WPC, we call it as multi-wood. And generally in Kerala, we call it as multi-wood, and WPC is mistaken.
Okay, got it. I see, because I didn't heard that name till now, Vaibika.
Yeah, but in Kerala, we use a lot of materials apart from plywood and HDHM or WPC. So that's the reason we get.
Okay, got it. Understood.
Yeah. So I just wanted to ask you one quick question. So have you heard of this material called ferro cement?
Ferro cement? No, sir.
Okay. If it's new, then I'll skip the question. Okay. Sir, I just wanted to know, like, will you be taking job works? Because as an interior designer over here, maybe once we get, good work for interiors, like maybe be it a modular.
Okay. No, sir. Job works we are not doing. We are having complete team actually.
Okay,
so
sir.
End-to-end interiors we are doing.
Yeah, we can go to the next person. Mohini Gadia, ma'am, you can unmute yourself and ask your question.
Good evening, sir. I am from Surat, Gujarat. I have a very small question that for 3-bedroom apartment, end to end, how much would it cost for interior approximately?
Ma'am, actually it purely depends on the client only. So we may start up to 4.5 lakhs and we may go up to 50 lakhs also.
Reasonably good.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Reasonably good work.
Reasonably good means some at least 10 lakhs is a decent budget, I feel, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you. The next one is Vinuta Keshwa.
Yeah. Hello. I just have a couple of questions. Planning for a modular kitchen, is Quartz best or the Granite best?
Ma'am, actually, life-wise, Granite is best, ma'am.
Okay.
Look-wise, Quartz is best actually.
Okay.
And that too, if any termite, this turmeric anything fails, no, there is chance of getting this yellowish color actually.
No matter high quality, even if we take the high quality,
No. If you go with the high quality, also the issues are coming.
Okay, fine. And for these lofts and all, right? Lofts and the bottom unit, is which material will be good?
For the locks and all, ma'am. Normally for the wardrobes.
Yeah. Lofts also, and also the bottom unit.
Normally for the locks and all, we prefer Europe and Godrej locks.
Not loft.
Loft you're talking is okay. Sorry, ma'am. I was thinking loft. Okay. Ma'am, normally for the lofts and all, MR plywood is more than enough actually.
MR plywood.
Yes, ma'am. MR is more than enough.
Okay. And right now, if at all, I mean, in fact, you were saying about aluminum also, right? So aluminum is good or wood is good? I mean, which is long lasting?
Ma'am, aluminum recently it came actually.
Yeah.
But wood from many years we're using and we have seen positive and as well as negatives also. But aluminum recently it came, we should see, ma'am, how it's going to work actually.
Sustain in the market. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And should we have skirt for the modular kitchen? Is it good to have skirt in the modular kitchen or no?
Actually not required, ma'am. Why? Because however we are doing PVC legs actually.
Okay.
So particularly we don't need any cement. You are asking about the cement to build with the cement.
Right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
It's not compulsory, ma'am. But if it is there also, okay.
No, which will give a good look.
No, however, we are doing front cutting, we are doing with the same matching thing or else PVC cutting, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
So without that only it looks good, ma'am.
Okay. And for all these hinges or all that, right? Which is a good company for hinges and all other item?
Ma'am, nowadays Heritage is trending.
Which one? Heritage.
Heritage.
What about Hafele?
Hafele is also good.
Hafele is also good.
Yes.
Which is good amongst Hafele and Heritage?
Now Heritage only, ma'am.
Heritage only, is it?
Yes.
Okay. And one last question. You have this something called as boiling wood, something like that.
Boiling waterproof, BWP, ma'am. Boiling waterproof.
Okay. How is that? Should we go for that?
Yes, that for the kitchen, 100% you go with that only, ma'am.
All of the lofts, you have this wet unit and the
Yes.
other unit, right?
Yes, ma'am. For that, you go with that only. That's what I'm talking about, the Century Club Prime, actually.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. That is all I have. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Next one is Deepak Raj S. Sir, you can unmute yourself and ask your questions.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
My doubt is, see, we are thinking to renovate our kitchen. It's in 9 by 10. Okay.
Okay.
See,
9 by 10.
7 by 9.
7 by 9. Okay.
7 by 9. Okay. It won't come fully U shape. It will come half of the U shape.
Okay. Got it, ma'am.
So, whenever we are going to your experience center and whatever it is, if we tell like this also, without coming or site visiting or anything, if you are giving the estimation means, see, you have to take the measurements and you have to take how much the scrolling and all you're doing it. See, exactly, I didn't understand. You are giving that pulling out the cabinets, okay? So you are telling that one, pulling out the cabinets itself, that one is pricing cost is more, okay?
Okay.
For this one, just only for doors, it's not that much costly. Because of that only, we are charging you more.
Okay.
So, how many that type of you are putting it?
Normally, we give 3
tandems you are
tandem
putting
boxes regularly.
Huh?
Normally, we give 3 tandem boxes regularly.
Well, only for tandem box, 3 tandem box, so why you are charging more compared to the local carpenter and you people?
Nothing like that, ma'am. Actually, depends on the quality. Only the price comes actually.
See, for those people, if we are you are saying that, for example, saying that one X and Y like attach or something, we are going with that accessories. That's where only we are giving it to the carpenter also. He is fixing the same.
Okay. Ma'am, normally carpenters' first preference, they'll go with the steel baskets actually.
No. We only go and get the material for him.
Okay.
And we are giving it to him. He is doing it.
Okay.
Then why the cost is more for you? Why is the cost is less for them?
I don't think so, ma'am. Actually, I don't know with whom you have taken the quotation.
See, it's not like that. We have taken the quotation saying that one only for the kitchen 7 by 9. They are charging like more than 3 lakhs.
Okay.
So for that, I am asking.
Actually, it's
See, you are not doing the granite part. You are not giving the sink part. You are not giving the tap one. Just only you are not putting actually natural wood. You are putting only this one like plywood. Plywood. So if you are doing it in the natural wood, if we go to the countryside, for all the thing, it will come to the natural wood only. Only for plywood, why we have to spend this much of money?
Actually, 3 lakhs is a bit more only, ma'am. Actually, 3 lakhs you are telling is a bit more only. For 9 by 7.
I'm saying.
Sorry?
That is more only, sir.
That's what I'm telling, ma'am. Just you can come here and try once. You can take a quotation from here also. Then you decide it, ma'am. Actually, it's
can
bit. I don't know whom you got the
know where is your experience center, sir?
HSR layout,
in Bangalore.
Bangalore HSR layout.
Where it comes, sir, exactly?
Silk board. You have idea, ma'am?
Yeah.
Near to silk board.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah, we can move on to the next person. That's Tenzin Consultanju. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you for your time. My name is Tenzin. I'm an interior designer.
Okay.
And I'm located in Bailakupi. I don't know if if you know about this place. It's close to Kurg.
Kurg.
Yeah, it's close to Kurg and falls under Mysore district.
Okay. Okay.
4.5 hours drive from Bangalore.
Okay.
And I have two questions. First one, can you suggest any company which has this vertical opening door? Window.
Windows.
Yeah, double hung windows like train.
Oh,
In
you're talking
train.
about the synchro.
Yeah, I don't know what it is called as.
It's called
We call it
synchro.
as
It's called
double hung
synchro.
window.
Yes, yes. You're telling
Uh,
about the partitions, no? To
Not the
divide the.
partition. For example, like the train window, which you can pull it up vertically.
I understood, ma'am. I understood.
Any company you can suggest in
Yeah, you can try,
UPVC.
ma'am. You can try Wave Company, VAWE.
VAWE. Okay, VAWE. Okay, and my next question, I'm going to save the name. Okay, VAWE. Okay, and my next question is, I'm located in this place where I don't have good team to execute my projects.
Okay.
I have lots of projects in hand. I usually get it done through from Mysore. I
Okay.
used to work in Bangalore, in Koramangala. And I
Okay.
used to get my work done through Home Lane, Live Space, all these companies.
Okay.
So what I want to know is my zip code is 571104. Do you execute in this area?
Yeah, ma'am, we do.
Are you sure? Because I got the confirmation from Home Lane, and towards the end, they are saying that we cannot provide the service. So
No, we can provide, ma'am. We can provide. That's not it. We can provide.
you're based in Kerala or in Bangalore?
No, Bangalore, HSR layout.
Okay. So can I have any contact details that I can get
And
in
you
touch
can
with?
ask the Kolo, they will contact us, ma'am.
Okay. Can I get a call back from them
Yes,
to know
yes.
more,
You
to
can
collaborate?
you can
Yes,
check
ma'am.
out our chat box. We have put on the numbers on the chat box.
Okay, I didn't see it.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm using phone. Later, can I get details?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Get a call back from our team tomorrow.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you so much. That's it.
Thank you, ma'am. So next one is Vinuta Keshwa. So you can unmute yourself and ask your question, Vinuta Keshwa.
Sorry, I'm done. Probably by mistake it was raised again. Sorry about it.
Okay, thank you. So the next one is Mamata B. Mamata B, ma'am, you can unmute yourself and ask your questions. Mamata B, hello, ma'am. If you are there, can you please unmute yourself and ask your questions?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
The thing is, I just want to know the modular and customization. One of the designers said, for my requirement, he can't do a modular design.
Okay.
So, what are the pros and cons of modulars and customization?
Like why they told, ma'am, like we can't do that?
See, I wanted some traditional touch. Okay.
Okay. Traditional touch. Okay.
Yeah, traditional designs and all.
Mm-hmm.
So she told me that it can't happen in modulars.
Okay. Ma'am, we
So,
can, ma'am, actually. But the thing
okay.
is, you want the traditional, no, that also become bit modular. How means what is the traditional theme you want? No, just you can print it directly on the wardrobes. No, on the laminates itself, you can print it that traditional theme.
Oh, okay. I didn't know this. Okay. What is that called as?
No. Normally we do the digital print on the laminate.
No. Not the laminate prints. I need some, for example, what to say. Can I get someone's number from your team so that I can discuss my whole the requirements, what I
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
want, how?
They will provide you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. That would, because all of a sudden I'm not able to recall
Got
and
it,
tell
ma'am.
you.
Understood, ma'am.
Okay,
We'll put
that's
our
the
contact details in the chat box. You can, if any of you guys has any kind of requirements, you can call at that number, or else our team will connect with all of you tomorrow. So don't worry regarding that. So yeah, I think we can end our session. We have got no other people who have raised their hands, so I think we can end our session today.
The name of
So
your
last one
company is
last
Kolo,
question, sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
So is aluminum is workable, sir? How
Sir,
is the
as of now, we didn't try, sir. Frankly speaking.
but in the market what is the general trend, madam, sir?
Sir, people are talking actually, but full-fledgedly, there I'm not seeing anywhere actually. Very rare cases I'm seeing. But
5%?
Yes, sir. Not even 5, sir. Actually, less than 5 only it is there. Why? Because
So
now
people
in 10 orders, at least 1 order people should ask. No, they're not asking. We should know, sir.
because a lot of advertisements are coming in Bangalore. We are doing it's a long run. At the end, 20 years also it will come. After that, you can waste also is not. It can be again put into the market. Aluminum will get the money back. Like that, catchy things are going on. But some say the opening, all those things will be very rough. It will not be smooth openings and all those things. They're saying. Just wanted to know if it is also going on trend. What is your take on that?
We'll surely research on that, sir. Why? Because in this session only, like 2-3 people asked me this question. So surely we'll research and we'll come back, sir, with this.
Okay, sir. One more person has raised their hands. It's VM. VM, you can unmute yourself and ask questions.
Hello. I have 2 questions. If we are going for a resale unit, so regarding tiles, there are 2 ways. One is like we can go for entire renewal of removing the existing tiles and replacing with new ones. Or I heard that existing tiles itself we can put the.
Okay. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. PM, ma'am. Hello.
Sorry. Hello. Did you get my question?
Yeah, I understood your question, ma'am.
Yeah.
But I heard that if you put the tiles on the tiles, no, there is a chance of like sound and all, ma'am, while walking and all. The curing will not happen properly, they're telling.
Okay. So about removal of the, removing means how much time it will take for a 1300 square feet unit?
1300 square feet, no, ma'am. It will take, ma'am, at least 1 week, 10 days you should spend on that.
1 week. And how
1
much
week to 10
cost
days.
that removal cost? Can you just give an estimate?
Ma'am, 1300, no?
Yeah.
1300. At least you should spend, ma'am, at least some 1 lakh.
1 lakh for just removing tiles?
Removing and they should take and go, no, ma'am. It's in apartment or individual? How? What is the location?
Apartment.
Location?
Location is in Bangalore.
Bangalore only. Floor, ma'am, which floor?
Ground floor.
Ground floor only.
Yeah.
Then it may be reduced, ma'am, actually. Why? Because in apartments, suppose the building is like 4th floor, 5th floor and all, no?
Yeah.
Making issue again, bringing that is another issue actually.
Okay. No, my 2 questions are, one is for removal cost, how much it will be, and retailing, what is the average?
Retailing again, you can calculate, like, for example, for tiles we'll be getting from 40 rupees to 60, 70, 80, 100 rupees also.
Yeah.
So 1300 into, you can put that price.
Okay.
And for the laying charges, cement and all again extra, ma'am. So for the laying also, they'll charge another like 10 rupees to 20 rupees around.
Okay. And one more doubt with respect to tiles. Nowadays, 6x4, 8x4 tiles are also there. So is it a good idea to go for bigger tiles?
Actually, the look is coming very nice, ma'am.
But what about that? While laying, any issues will be there?
The only defect I felt like is some tiles are getting bent actually in manufacturing only.
Okay.
So if the tiles come in good thing, no, all is okay.
What do you suggest? 8x4 or 6x4 or 2x4?
Normally nowadays builders are going with like 4x2. Majority people.
Okay.
Previous they used to do 2x2. No, now people are going with like 4x2 actually.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And one more question is, in the existing resale unit, is it a good idea to go for complete renovation of bathroom? Means removing the existing structure. Is it possible?
It's possible, ma'am. Possible.
Entire. Yeah. So what according to will be the price for one bathroom of 8x5? Entire renovation.
Entire renovation.
Because you are this thing will help us to
Why? Because
plan.
we do civil works bit less actually. Just I have rough idea only.
Okay.
5x5, right?
8x5.
8x5.
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, at least for a renovation, you should keep 2 lakhs budget aside. 2 to 3 lakhs.
One bathroom. One bathroom.
Complete home, I'm telling.
Okay.
2 to 3 lakhs budget you should keep aside now.
Including retailing and
Yes, sir,
renovation of
including
bathrooms.
retailing, correct. Including retailing.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank
Okay.
Sir, last question, sir. Please, one last question, sir. So we should go for tiles or granite, sir?
Sir,
No, confusion is there.
only better, sir. Tiles is only better, sir.
They say granite is a long run, it is really good, but
Nothing
tiles,
like that,
you said
nothing like that.
sound will come, anything hard material is fallen, it will crack. So there is
nothing like that actually. Tiles means you'll be having lot of options.
So, sir, Chakri sir, I think we can end our session. It's already.
Thank you, everyone.
Sir, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us with for this session today, and especially and heartfelt thank you to Mr. Chakri for sharing such good insights, and more importantly for patiently answering every questions raised by our homeowners. And your clarity and real world explanations made this today's topic easier to understand. And to all our participants, thank you for your time, your engagement, and your thoughtful questions. We hope the session brought you clarity you needed and help you feel more confident about planning your kitchen. So, thank you. At Kolo, it means a lot to see homeowners invest time in learning before you building. And we'll continue bringing you more expert-led sessions every week to support your home building journey with the right information at the right moment. And thank you once again, everyone. Thank you, Chakri sir. Thank you so much. We had a great time and hope you had a great time also. So good night, everyone.